Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix date and time not syncing issue with the internet in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, search here CMD. Right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator. Now guys, you have to type this to command line. I will give in description. So this is the first command line, copy and paste. Press enter. Once this is successfully, copy and paste the second command line. Press enter. And guys, it will take couple of minutes. So complete this scanning. And once this complete, close and restart your system. After restart, click on settings. Now here, click on time and language. Click on date and time. Now here, set the time automatically and make sure. Now here, turn on set time automatically. Turn on time zone automatically. And also guys, you can set time zone manually from this list. And after that, click on sync now. That's it. Now restart your system. So this is the method guys, you can fix and resolve date and time not syncing problem in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment any method work for you or not.